Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Python 3. 8 or newer, Android Studio with SDK tools, and a working emulator or USB device. Once done, choose your integration method, Shopify for embedding Python in Gradle builds or Kivy/Bulldozer for standalone apps. Make sure to install pip packages you need and enable developer options on the device. Now open your Android Studio project and add the plugin dependency, or prepare your Kivy project structure so you can proceed to wiring the bridge. Now integrate Python into the Android app. For Shopify, add the plugin and dependencies to build. Gradle, then create src/main/python and drop your Py modules there. For Kivy, configure Bulldozer. Spec and include requirements. Once added, sync Gradle or run Bulldozer to fetch Python wheels and native libs. Then write a minimal Python function and call it from Java/Kotlin using Shopify APIs, or use PyJNES for Kivy. Test on the emulator to confirm the interpreter loads and imports your modules. Finish by running the app and verifying Python code executes. Once the app launches, inspect logcat for Shopify or Kivy Python startup messages and call a known function to verify end-to-end. If it fails, make sure included packages match ABI, update build files, and rebuild. A key troubleshooting tip: enable verbose build and runtime logs. Then run a minimal standalone Python test, matching the app environment to isolate dependency or path issues quickly. This narrows fixes from configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.